Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some items that all FabFitFun members can choose from their summer box. Let's get into it with the African Botanics Shimmering Gold Body Oil. So this can be used for all skin types and seasons. It can be used on your face, your body, your hair even, anywhere where you need a little shine. And like, I think we've all been in the house long enough. I need some shine. I'm gonna shake it, open it up. So it smells like really warm and floral, really smells like summer. It's really nice. It just comes out in these like little dabs and it feels really silky. You can rub it all over your arms, wherever you want, until it's absorbed. I feel ready for summer. Up next, we've got the TF Publishing Brain Teasers and Activity Book Bundle. New mom here, really need to work on my noggin. So these are really fun. They have all different kinds of puzzles and activities in them. Great to keep your brain sharp. Also really great to get you away from the screen for a minute or two. We all definitely need help getting away from screen time. So like this one, really cute cover, make today better, yes please. We've got all these different like word jumbles, word puzzles, really calming, soothing, coloring. I mean, don't you just feel like chill when you even look at it? Why is coloring just feels so good? We've even got like riddles in here. Riddle me this. What is as light as a feather, but even the world's strongest man couldn't hold it for more than a minute? Labor. This is also really good, like mother-child bonding activity. You can color with your kids. You know, everyone's got to stay sharp. Even getting the 9-month-old going right now. We gotta build those skills. Next up, we have the Ciaté London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray. So this can be used over makeup, like I have it on right now, or on a bare face. To use it, you're gonna hold it 20 centimeters away, and you're just gonna spray it to evenly cover your face in an X and a T formation. And it just smells really good. It's really light. It's got that really nice watermelon scent, and it sets that makeup. You can also take this with you for whenever you need a little refresh during the day. You can take it on your afternoon walks. You can take it when you're at the pool, beach day. It just gives a nice little spritz. So much better than sweat. Up next, we've got the Scentuals Vitamin C Serum. This is gonna decrease the appearance of wrinkles. It also hydrates, brightens, and protects the skin. It's also great for all skin types. So if you're oily, dry, combination, this works for you. Works for everybody. So to use this, you're gonna take about 2 to 4 drops, put in your palm, massage it on your face, neck, décolletage, and then just follow it up with your regular moisturizer. You can use it day and night. It's kind of like milky looking, and it really has this like nice citrusy smell, and it's like really silky feeling. It's just gonna go right into your hand. Beautiful. Well, that's it for this category. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already a FabFitFun member, sign up right now so that you can get your pick, and we'll see you guys next season.